the blue shade.
I do too. Just because that yellow is such a light color, and you would have to have like a darker shade of yellow to get a better shade
Like
of
equally shade
of green.
yellow and blue. That makes like a quality green.
So it'll be more towards like a turquoise color.
Like this. Like it's more like bluish.
You were closer
But
than me.
I guess it'll balance out when we add the 10 other
All right, you guys have
milliliters
about 1
of,
more minute left at your station.
Okay, so we see that it's green, so we should put that.
and I'll finish.
One more minute.
And then I'll.
And then afterwards, we need to dispose of our gloves. And
How's it going over here?
It's going good.
Good.
It's good. Yeah.
So we're measuring at where in our graduated cylinder?
10 milliliters.
10 milliliters.
Right at the
and
meniscus.
right at the meniscus. Awesome. What color change are you seeing?
We're seeing that it turns green. It's like you mix the blue and the yellow, but like I added another 10 milliliters of blue, and it made it like a more bluish greenish color.
Okay.
We said that like we hypothesized.
Mm-hmm.
We hypothesized that the green would be more towards the blue shade because of the darkness of the blue
Okay.
and the lightness compared to the yellow.
Would you agree or not?
I agree.
Okay.
But it looks like it's just balanced out right now.
Mm-hmm.
I'd say it would be leaning a little bit more towards blue because the blue, as dark as it is,
Okay.
so
All right. All right. What's the next step in this? Experiment. Disposing. When they get your containers, you guys can dispose. Groups, take about 30 more seconds, finish up your last observations, and record your data. All right, you guys are going to dispose of it in here. So as we know, we don't put things down the sink. And when you're done, just set up your lab station. Again, you have CR.
So do we rotate?
Okay, make sure you get all the
Got it. So what's going to
stuff out
happen
of that.
is 1 is going to go to 2, 2 is going to go to 3, and 3 is going to go all the way back up to 1. All right. Everyone done with your stations?
Yes.
Go ahead and switch. Go ahead and switch.
Okay. So this number.
So we need
Students
goggles,
will take
gloves.
each color magnet and place it
So I'll get the
on
goggles.
Make sure you read the directions
like
thoroughly.
horizontal and
Based
vertical.
on what you know.
Measure the distance before they touch.
Okay.
What kind of
Okay,
thing
so-
is gonna go?
What do you think will happen?
You will mix 20 milliliters of water, of yellow water with 20 milliliters of blue water. Be sure to follow
So I think it won't be
safety
far
lab.
before they have to touch. So do we just
So you got the gloves?
put,
So we'll start straight at 0. And
So I think.
we just keep,
I don't think this
so
will.
we just keep putting it at different, so I'm gonna start at 8. So keep going back.
So maybe we'll do it on the table right here.
Yeah, that makes more sense.
Try to
So just
You
keep
know what?
going until you get closer.
So you want me to do yellow and you do blue?
One person catches.
So you really don't have 20 milliliters. So we're gonna have to do,
One at a time.
we're gonna have to do, yeah. So you do 10 milliliters of
Mine is at
blue twice.
That's the wrong one.
I didn't give it that big.
Alright, so make sure you guys make your
You
prediction.
gotta do this one.
And then that.
Respectfully talk about your position.
Okay, so what do we do next? We need to-
So the last group, they had a really good observation. They saw that the color that it changed favored more of yellow, and the other person thought it favored more of blue. What do you guys think is going to happen when you guys mix these colors together?
I think it will fade more blue,
Okay.
just because blue is a darker color than yellow. And it will overpower the yellow.
And what do you think it's going to favor?
I think it's going to favor more yellow and change the color to green because yellow it looks like that when it's mixed with blue it would honestly change the color more than blue.
Okay. All right, so you've done your 10 milliliters, and what level are you measuring at? What do you call that?
The meniscus.
Awesome. So remember that we keep our test tube on the table at all times, and then we come down to the meniscus and we measure it.
What? This one feels more lighter than
See, this one's closer to the ground than this one.
If we had larger magnets, I feel as though the pool would be greater just because they have a better.
Good job.
Magnetic field. And then also the distance, for some reason.
And now this
Well,
one,
we'll do one more test,
I
but
believe more
I'm
heavier.
hypothesizing that the longer the distance, the shorter it'll be
But, yeah, see, this one,
when
the wheels
you
aren't
actually
turning.
get to
They keep
how it
hitting against
needs.
the,
For me,
That's how it's working for me right now, because when we started at 10, it made it at least like
This is my last one.
And so you guys have put the two magnets together already? Okay. And was it a greater distance or farther distance?
so, look, this one's
For me, it
car
was,
one, car two, car three, car four. So I
it was
believe,
a fair distance.
Okay.
But when they met, it was at a shorter distance than when it met, when it was at.
Just
Okay, so
more.
what color do you think overpowered it?
So we'll start from
Probably
20.
blue because the color is like darker green and it's not really white like the yellow.
But now I see that the yellow overpowered the blue just a little bit. Just
Aren't you
because
guys?
that,
Take about 1 more minute at your station.
just because it makes
Evaluate,
better and
rationalize.
it's not like a heavy blue.
Mhm.
So,
The distance was 20 centimeters.
Station
I'm at
Yeah.
bet 11.
Car number 3 went far east.
Seems as though mine
Because it was
all
lighter,
over the
and the
place.
wheels were more smooth, I believe.
Because at first it was.
I'm loving the talk.
Yeah.
I'm loving what I'm hearing.
It is
You
kind
guys
of
are
like
making
hard to
very,
make a
very
very
strong
accurate
points. Very
measurement
good
because
job.
of the way magnets
so
move.
since it's like.
And they don't like
now it's
move
got more like.
straight all the time. Like sometimes like they'll
Mr.
flip
Matt,
up and just
where do we
jump onto
dispose of
magnets.
the-
Like, what?
You're going to dispose of it in the counter in this
Last
container
one,
right here.
we'll start from 30 and I'll slow.
I'll just leave this one here.
And
Make sure they're
then,
not.
good, thank you so much. All right, take the next 15 seconds to clean up your station. And then again, we're gonna do our final switch. 1 is gonna move to 2, 2 is gonna move to 3, and 3 will come all the way back to 1.
do you want me to put the goggles back in the
Yes,
stable?
please. All right. All right, go ahead and make your switch. Make your switch.
Okay, so. So take it back here, I'll take it. Wait, we can go.
Okay, y'all, I trail every night.
Yeah, actually.
Thank you.
No problem.
All right.
Okay, so let's read the instructions.
Furthest.
In this lab,
Based on what
you will mix 20 milliliters of yellow water with 20 milliliters of blue water. Be sure to follow the
We will take
instructions.
one
Record the color.
basic,
Okay,
one,
so,
one,
oh, we need gloves.
And gloves.
Or this has like about
and turn the magnet upright.
this has and the wheels
be yours.
also, like the shape of the wheels matters too. If they're not
And also
straight,
these
we're
wheels
gonna start
are,
over.
they're not,
Red straight.
they're not straight, but they're also not the same level. because-
And now that we got our goggles,
So,
I think we should use some gloves.
This one has a lot more things. So I took one that candy, it's
Put on some.
bigger.
and it's really small, so it might not make that. So if I were to,
All right, on station 3, what are you talking about?
okay, so we were talking
So it
about like
magnetized
how
and
not just the amount of friction that matters.
Alright, now that we got our
but the
gloves
wheel
on,
type. It's the wheel type.
so it says, you will mix 20 milliliters of yellow and blue water. So I guess since blue is closest to you, use blue. So 20 milliliters.
And like causes it would cause it to.
And
we're also talking about the friction that the wheels will cause.
so, and we gotta
on
measure out the
temperature
meniscus.
And the air resistance.
What do you think
How
will
would you
change
test
it?
your
You think we
theories
should
of which
put
vehicle
the
would go the farthest?
blue marker farther away or
Just
closer?
like what you race, you just.
Okay.
Closer. Exactly, just like, just exactly how far they go. And you can see like what, forces would like stop it or
So
keep
maybe
it,
we
or
should
like
try
working with the
two.
car.
So,
Okay. Knowing what you know about mass and acceleration and force and things like that, how would you apply those to the balloon racers?
I would just rank them by how far I feel they would go. So from, farthest to least.
So which one do you think would travel the farthest, and which one do you think would travel the least?
I think
I think so the farthest and this will go the least.
That would go the least?
Okay, so right here's
Okay.
10
Why do you think
Milliliters.
there's a difference between which one will go the least?
of yellow
Well, I
water.
think this one's going to least is because like the wheels aren't.
So I gotta get
the
10
wheels
more.
feel
I
very
gotta get,
sturdy and it's, like,
because this is only 10 milliliters.
so it could,
beaker.
like, not
Alright,
resist the
supporting
air
them.
resistance.
And then you gotta do another 10. Because this is only,
I feel as though
this is only a 20, I'm at 10 milliliter
the
beaker.
least
Uh-huh.
far because the wheels aren't stable and they're not at the same
So what if we try
as any of these. They're more unstable.
Great thinking. So I guess in an experiment, you guys would have to measure these two, correct?
Yes.
Awesome. All right, station number 2. Station number 1, I'm coming to you guys next.
Alright.
So I just got mine. So right here's 20 milliliters of yellow.
Yeah, so we used both of them.
So now I'm just waiting on
together.
you.
So when we did it, it magnetized it 4.
Okay.
Yeah, I thought it was really weird. because
So I'm waiting on
it
you
was
to
1
get
and
the.
1. The first time, our first shot, it magnetized it 4.
So it's 10 milliliters of blue.
So I have a question. Why would it magnetize?
So I see the color.
Two.
The color that it changed.
So you
So
gotta
when you
remember
mix
that
yellow
these two
and
have the
blue,
same
it made the
polarity,
green one.
and these two have the same polarity. When we were doing
So,
1 versus 2, this
right,
polarity was greater than this, and therefore
right.
this is always going this way. Now that you're having 2, it's like saying it's the same thing as having 1 and 1. So you're probably gonna get the same
You
result
mix
as a 1 and 1 as you would a 2 and 2. Same thing as a 10 and 10.
20
Does that make sense?
milliliters
All right, awesome.
of blue water with the 20 milliliters of yellow
And this one is at a point.
with the, I mean, not, the 20
Yellow.
milliliters of yellow.
So I made it by this too.
I see that it made, I see that it made the color green.
Awesome. Now, in your own opinion, some of the other groups were saying that it may become more like blue or more like yellow. Did you guys have any thoughts beforehand of what color would it be?
I thought it was gonna be more like bluish.
Okay, what did you think?
Because blue is like a more stronger, it's like a more
Stronger
stronger
color?
color.
Yeah.
You thinking the same, Enrique, or different?
The same.
The same?
Because, you know, blue looks like blue looks a stronger, like a stronger color.
Okay, I mean, that's valid. It's absolutely valid. What do you think makes it green, the blue or the yellow?
Considering
I think the yellow.
You think the yellow? Okay, so you think yellow brings the spectrum of blue down to green?
Yeah.
Oops, about that. All right, awesome. All right, what's the next step? You guys finished?
Yeah.
All right, what's the next step?
Oh, we gotta pour the water out.
Pour the
So
water out. Where are you pouring it out at? Right here. Very good. All right. So you're gonna pour it out in there. All right. Now